guys, it has been probably a week since I last filmed, and normally that doesn't happen. I usually film twice a week. I have family in town right now, and it's just, I haven't felt like actually sitting down and filming. Like, I've done my makeup every day, but I haven't filmed it, you know? I am going to get back on it today with today's video. I'm actually doing several videos back to back just so that I can get them out of the way and I can focus on spending time with family. So yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing today. We're just going to see where it takes us and we'll go from there. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with my eyes today, and guys, I don't have anything on my table. I'm literally going and grabbing things that look good to me and bringing them over here to do. So we're gonna do eyes first since that's what I picked out. If you saw my recent video where I tried a whole bunch of new Maybelline products, I used their colorstrike cream to powder eyeshadow pens. I love how easy these are. Like, if you're looking for easy eyeshadow, Maybelline's gotcha. So they come in lots of different colors. I believe at my Walmart there was like probably 7 to 10 colors. I picked up 2 colors and I was almost tempted to pick up another color today, but I didn't. I'm trying to be a little bit more budget friendly, so 2 is enough for me for right now. So I got the color in 45 Chase, which is a matte, 30 Spark, which is a metallic. I've been doing every day on my eyes. I literally take Chase, and I literally just slap this all over my crease and my lid, like so. A fluffy brush, and I just buff it back and forth. And it's that easy. Like, that took me 10 seconds or less to just quickly fill in my crease. It gives me some depth to my eyes, but it didn't take very much effort. And when it dries down, it's a powder, so it's not going to move. Shade in Spark. And literally what I'm going to do is I'm not even going to use a brush for this. I'm literally just going to take this and dot it all over my lid everywhere. Okay? So literally that's my eye look. And then I'll just put on some mascara and I'm good to go. So I think that this video is going to end up being how I've been doing my makeup every day. This is how I do my makeup. I've been using my Masckara Beauty makeup a lot. Now, like I said, I've been wearing makeup every day this week. There were a couple days where I did just use traditional foundation, just because I like to kind of mix it up a little bit. I don't like sticking to the same routine all the time, even though I've been doing the same with my eyes and just keeping pretty simple. I've been going back and forth between the mascara makeup and just my traditional normal foundation. If you haven't seen my video where I tried this out for the first time, I will leave that link down below for you, and has a little bit more explanation about what mascara makeup is. But anyway, this is literally all I need to do my entire face. Take the shade here, which is called Linen, and I'm just going to dot this under my eyes. And I usually do a color corrector, but not today, I guess. I'm gonna go underneath my eyes, go down the center of my nose, I'm going to go on my forehead, on my chin. A contour shade in Henna. Same thing with my finger. And then I'm just gonna go where I would contour. So that would be down right here. I'm also gonna go down the sides of my nose. Kind of go up on the sides right here. Go up on the planes that I have. I do like to connect it up to my eyebrow. Go a little bit underneath my lip, my forehead here. Other foundation shade, this is my True Match foundation shade. So the shade that we put on Linen is more of my like highlight shade, and then I'm going to put the shade Candlelit on the rest of where I didn't apply any product. So that would be here, or kind of around my mouth area. I like to go up here a little bit. Take this brush right here from mascara as well This is a 30-second hack brush, and I'm going to use the bigger side, and I'm just going to blend everything. A little bit more of linen on my nose, just because my nose is really red and it doesn't tend to take to makeup very well. It just kind of, I don't know what happens. Now I'm going to go into my Bella bronzer here. Normally I just stick with my contour and put blush on and call it good, but we're going to use the bronzer today. I just got this bronzer too, so I'm kind of wanting to use it a little bit. I'm going to take the smaller side of the brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend it up just above that contour. Flip to the other side of the brush. That's a little bit more warmth to the face. Then I'm just going to take whatever I have left on my brush and just kind of draw it on my jawline and kind of down a little bit, and just kind of bring everything together with that. Into my blush now. I have 3 different blush options. This is just a chapstick. Today I'm just going to stick with Sandstone. It's more of a neutral tone blush. My face makeup, usually with traditional makeup, like traditional liquid foundation and stuff like that, this would take me twice as long. I was kind of explaining as I was going along, but literally this only takes me 10 minutes or less to do. So for my mascara, I've been stuck using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, which I really loved using it, but I've also been trying to use it up just because I have so many mascaras that I've opened up, and I just want to finish them off so that way I can move to the next thing. Hold on, I get a drink here. For a really good summery drink, this is the brewed herbal tea from Pure Leaf and Mango Hibiscus. I accidentally got the unsweetened kind, which there's barely any sugar to begin with, so I don't know why you'd want to go with completely nothing in there, but I added some sugar in here because I just can't do the bitter flavor. Sometimes I'll take a little bit of the shade Chase that I have on my lid and put it on my lower lash line, but today we're just not going to do that. Okay, mascara's on now. For eyebrows, I've just been using my trusty Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil in the shade medium brown. I also sometimes use the dark brown as well. Just depends on my mood, but today I'm using the medium brown. I like more natural looking brows. I don't like the blocked off, really shaped, clean cut eyebrows. I feel like it doesn't look bad on people. I just feel like I want to enhance the best of me. I want to stick to my features more than trying to copy someone else's feature. You know what I mean? I hope I said that right. So I'm first going to take some hair-like strips at the front. That was really long. I don't have a hair that long. And then, so first of all, if you see my eyebrows are not the same shape at all. They're not even sisters. They're cousins. We all plucked our eyebrows too much when, we were younger in high school. 90s. One of these days I want to go get them microbladed, but until then, we're just gonna do this. So I like to just kind of give myself hair-like strokes while filling in my eyebrows. Basically, the point is just filling in those sparse areas and kind of creating a shape almost, but keeping the natural shape of things. This really shapes your face when you fill in your eyebrows, especially when you're wearing makeup, because then your eyebrows almost disappear. Well, I've never created this shape on my eyebrows before. I don't know. My eyebrows turn out different every single time, but it's okay. I'm still experimenting the best way to fill my eyebrows, but I'm Not necessarily mad about the shape, it's different. I'm not used to it. I might need to add more mascara. Had a little mishap. So I'm gonna wait till that dries before I take it off. Next, I'm gonna just take a little bit of the NYX Lipliner in Nude Suede Shoes. I'm gonna take the Lifter Gloss from Maybelline. This is their hyaluronic acid lip gloss that they just came out with, and this is in the shade Ice. I have another color that I love. These glosses are so good. Like, I don't think I have tried a drugstore lip gloss like this. Like, first of all, it's so glossy and it smells amazing. I've tried a lot of glosses that, even high-end glosses, where as they fade away, like, I don't know, they're kind of messy when they fade away. Like, you get little balls, you know, they kind of ball up. But this one doesn't. This just like fades away like a chapstick. Like, it's the craziest thing, but you still get that really nice glossy lip, and it keeps your lips hydrated because it has the hyaluronic acid in it. So I've been using this gloss, and I have another one as well. It has a little bit more of a tint to it, but these glosses are amazing. Alright guys, so this is how I have been doing my makeup for the last couple of days. Last week, I guess I should say, actually. Feel so, like, beautiful in this makeup, but I literally sit and, while my kids are watching TV, and literally it takes me 10-15 minutes to do my makeup. That's it. I feel like I'm all dolled up. I feel beautiful. I feel ready for the day. And I've just been loving it. Like I said, I haven't felt like sitting down and like doing this extravagant eye look. I want to look beautiful, but I don't want to take the time to put makeup on. So this video, thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post new videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.